Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a CSV file into Google Sheets step by step. This is useful for opening data files, transferring spreadsheets, or working with exported reports, so let's get started. First, open Google Sheets in your browser. Next, create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want to import the CSV file. Now, click on File in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Import. A new window will appear with different import options. Click on the Upload tab. Now drag and drop your CSV file into the window, or click Browse to select the file from your computer. Once the file uploads, Google Sheets will display import options. Here you can choose whether to create a new spreadsheet, insert new sheets, replace the current sheet, or append the data. Select the option that works best for your needs. Then click Import Data. Google Sheets will now process the CSV file and automatically place the data into your spreadsheet. You can now edit, organize, and analyze the imported information directly inside Google Sheets. And that's it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.